everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1970 Plymouth Duster. Beautiful car, guys. Recent body-up restoration. They say there's very few miles on this car since it was restored. I'll tell you what, all we had to do was wipe it down. Florida car, good solid straight body. You can see it's finished in B5 blue metallic. It's got the black 340 striping. It's got the blacked out hood. All new legendary white vinyl interior in it. Neat car, man. Hits the road good. Nice little cammed up 340 underneath the hood. And just a slick car. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the rally wheels. Of course, it's got the blacked out hood on it. Trim is nice, new bumpers. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. I saw a little touch-up mark there. But other than that, car is really slick. Again, new bumpers, front and rear. It's got all the original Chrysler glass. It's only got 77,000 original miles on it, they say. Glass is nice, fit and finish is nice, got the pop-out rear windows. Let's just send this up the interior on this car is beautiful. I love the color combination. The only thing we're missing is a nice sunny day, so you can see how pretty that B5 blue is, because it is nice. Car has slick paint on it. Nice and straight down the sides. This car's got great sound. Like I say, drives out good. It's just a nice car, man. Stock 14-inch rallies. It's one of these cars that just turn the key, go have some fun. Yeah, nice little cammed up 340. It's not the original engine. I think this is a 72 engine. Edelbrock 600 CFM 4-barrel on it. It's got aluminum intakes. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the finned aluminum valve covers on it. Power steering. It's manual brakes. They've converted it to electronic ignition. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. Automatic transmission. I mean, you can see they've had this car all apart. Little stone peg there, if you can see it. I like this car a lot, man. It's just a good, clean old A-body right here, man. I mean, just everywhere you look, this car is nice. New door handles. You see those door seams are nice and clean. This is all brand new legendary vinyl interior in it. I've got the nice duster mats on the way for it. Like I I said this, but somebody emailed me, called me a floor mat snob, that I'm always putting floor mats in them, and I like them a certain way. Headliner's nice. Again, this stuff's all repadded, refoamed. 77.574 on your odometer. All the gauges were working. It's got some aftermarket gauges here. Retrosounds radio. It was a factory air car, but there's no air on it. Stock gear. There's no big monster gear or anything in it, so it's definitely a highway cruiser. Jump in it and cruise. It's all body color in here. You can see it's got the spare and everything. Again, looks like all the original quarters on it. Jacks in here. Floors were nice and clean. I'd say this has just always been a nice car. See, this is just a pretty car right here, man. Like I say, turn the key, go have some fun. These are really nice. Owner's manual's in the glove box. A little spray, so we missed a little wax there. Yeah, just a little cam to it, nothing crazy. That's a little sweetheart right here, man. Somebody's gonna have a blast with that car. Fuel gauge works, alternators up there, and I think the other gauges are down below. See, it holds good oil pressure. Door, everything fit and finishes excellent. Doors open and close real nice. Backup lights work. Yeah, that's just going to be a great little cruiser right there, man. Radio works. I think we got to check the blower motor. If we can get it to come on. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, through our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That is a pretty car, man. Killer little Duster right there. Have a great day, guys.